Taking a look at NIO chart today, and this is post earnings. Current price here is at $4.52. Currently just down about 4% today, and today is March 21st, 2025. We hit a low of $4.36 here, and of course, if we take a look at it today too, as you can see, there was a low of $4.36 here, so up pretty much a double or triple bounce down here towards 436, as you can see, moving up to the 4-hourly chart. This is just my personal opinion. I believe between 436 and 466 here, it could be a really good dip opportunity for the short term here. If you are looking for a swing or a momentum move back up towards the middle or upper Bollinger Band here, I am looking for this price test of the middle Bollinger Band, which is at 494. From our current prices here of 453, that should be a test of about 10% towards the top side here. That's just something to keep an eye out for. Again, this is $4.95 for the first price prediction here. Going into the second price prediction, that is the upper Bollinger Band. That's right around $5.44. This would be a more bullish case scenario where we get a full recovery. That is going to be, again, a 20% upside move here from current prices. In the long term and grand scheme of things, eventually I do think $6.25 is going to be retested. Our recent high here of $5.49 should be retested as well, and again, that could be possibly, if we compare it from current prices here, closer towards a 21 to 22% upside. And if you think $6.24 is going to be tested, that is going to be a 38% move towards the top side from current prices here. So personally, what I would be doing, I personally would be dollar cost averaging on the 4-hourly chart while we are closer to the lower Bollinger Band here. That could be potentially a entry point, and I'm looking for a reversal back up towards the upper Bollinger Band there. Let me know what you guys think down below for NIO stock. Are you guys long-term in NIO stock? Do you have shares in NIO stock or calls? Are you bearish or bullish right now in the short term? Or are you just patiently waiting out for the long-term things for NIO stock here? I know if we zoom out here to the weekly chart, you could see even on the monthly chart, NIO in the past here hit a high of $67 pretty much. And what I want to mention is, at least as of right now on the 4-hourly chart, if you take a look at the RSI, we are pretty much oversold territory here. And I think this is a really good time to be possibly adding into NIO stock if you missed out on getting into a good entry point, or if you're looking to dollar cost average more into NIO shares. Now would be probably, in my opinion, a better time to be entering, okay? In full disclosure, I don't have any positions in NIO stock. Just letting you guys know that I think this is a pretty good entry point now that we are closer towards the lower Bollinger Band on the 4-hourly chart. And at least for earnings, this was a 50-50, right? We could have possibly had a rally up toward the top side, or we could have probably ran down here towards the lower Bollinger Band here. And what happened here was we tested towards the lower Bollinger Band, and as much as most people would probably want, NIO stock to go up, in my personal opinion, if I had cash on the side for NIO stock and I wanted to enter, I think now would be a better time to be adding into NIO stock than hypothetically if it was up here. I wouldn't want to personally be chasing into it rallying up. I personally would be looking to enter when it's beaten down, similar to today, down 4%. And I think yesterday we were also down about 5 or 4% as well, okay? Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments again. If you are in NIO stock, and if you don't have a community yet, I highly recommend joining our Discord. Link down below in the description. It's free to join, and we have over 32,000 people. If you are looking for live entries and exits, though, in NIO stock and other stocks as well, we do share live entries and exits on stocks and options from 12 analysts, including me as well. You can join our Patreon, link down below in the description. It will unlock the VIP channels on the Discord, and if you do decide to join during this week or during any time soon, check if there is a discount. There should be that permanent discount since we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. And if you are able to secure that permanent discount, well, you get to keep it for a lifetime, okay? Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video here for NIO stock.